and welcome to It's RHODE'S. This is a recipe that my husband is fan number one of this skirt steak. It's super easy, super simple. I know you would like to make this recipe right away. This is a black Angus piece of meat, and as you can see, it's super fresh. I'm just gonna open it and clean it up before cooking it. Using paper towel, I'm gonna pat dry this piece of meat. As you can see, it has a little bit of grease. I won't get rid of all the grease because this will give juiciness to this meat. I'm gonna take this part of the skin away. Also in the back, I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. I'm gonna get rid of most of the hard parts of this meat. Now we're gonna season this piece of meat. We're gonna try to keep it simple. I'm just gonna add a little bit of salt, paprika or smoked paprika, and pepper. I'm gonna cover with plastic wrap, and I'm gonna tenderize a little bit this meat so it will be more juicy. So before cooking this meat, I'm gonna preheat a pan with a little bit of olive oil, and I'm gonna let it to heat really well. Medium-high heat is gonna be perfect for this meat. It is very important to preheat your pan before cooking your meat. If you want your meat to be medium well or well done, it's gonna depend on your taste. In my case, I like it medium well, so I'm gonna give it at least 5 minutes from each side until it is really juicy. You see how the juices are coming out? So it's gonna depend if you like a little bit of pink or if you like well done. At this point, I'm gonna take it out of the pan and I'm gonna cut it in little strips. I have 2 sweet pepper here. I have 3 garlic cloves. I have fresh rosemary, and also I have a small red onion. I'm gonna use these vegetables, but you can use any other vegetables of your preference. Let's add the vegetables. I'm gonna add a little bit of wine. This is cooking wine. It's up to you if you wanna add it or not. In my case, I think it will give a really nice touch to this meat. At least 1/4 of a cup. I'm gonna leave there just to cook for at least 8 more minutes. I have some parsley here. This is to taste. If you want to add it to your recipe, you can add it. If not, it's okay. But I love the taste of parsley, so I'm gonna just chop it up a little bit, just like so. I'm going to remove the rosemary, and this meat is ready. I'm gonna take a little bit of the juices of this meat. I'm gonna add it here to the parsley. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. So this is it, you guys. This is how it ends. This recipe is so good. This meat is so juicy, so delicious. I am pretty sure that this is gonna solve your problem for a lunch or dinner super quick, and I know you will love this recipe. I'm serving this with a little bit of rice, and this is black beans that I've made myself. If you want the recipe for these black beans, I will give it to you. Just let me know in the comments below that you want this recipe. It's so good, so yummy, so delicious. It has a little bit of pumpkin, and the flavor is amazing. So you guys, I hope you have enjoyed this recipe, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Give us a like, share this recipe with someone that would like to make this delicious meat, and I hope to see you next time. God bless you. Bye bye.